Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option to customize reading controls of our talkback function in Samsung Galaxy S22. So where to find it and how to change our reading controls. We need to go to settings, then we are looking for accessibility options, and here we have our talkback. In talkback, in the settings menu, we have a customize menus option, and here we have customize reading controls. What does it do? To use the reading controls, swipe left or right with 3 fingers. You can also swipe up or down with 3 fingers when the talkback option function is turned on, of course. And we can customize it. As you can see, we can simply pick and choose what we need from this menu. No need to save, just back out, and that's it. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.